Hello everyone, today I will carry out 4 experiments. So the first experiment is inseparable books. You only need 2 notebooks, okay? The first step is place the notebooks on a flat surface with the bindings facing inwards and make sure the covers completely overlap with each other, like this. See? Then, alternate pages from each notebook, placing one over the last, continuing until the notebooks are entirely intertwined. Okay, holding the notebooks just inside the binding and pull as hard as you can. Go ahead and have a friend pull on one of the notebooks while you pull the other. You also can do this alone. So it will be like this. Okay, ta-da! Okay, now we will discuss about how does it work. This happens because of friction. Okay, friction is the force that opposes motion when two surfaces are in contact. You may think that the amount of friction between sheets of paper to be pretty minimal, and you'd be right. When you multiply the friction by hundreds of surfaces, like each of the pages interwoven together, you wind up with an amount of friction that is insurmountable. Okay, this is experiment 2. It is about the floating eggs. As we know, eggs sink in regular tap water, but creating a saltwater solution, that's an exciting, a different story. Okay, to make this, you only need 2 drinking glasses, 2 raw eggs, a spoon, and table salt. The first step is fill one of the drinking glasses almost to the top with plain tap water. Then, gently drop one of the eggs into the glass. Looks, it sinks. Then, fill the second drinking glass half full with water. Add 4 tablespoons of table salt to the water and stir. Explain about the floating eggs. Okay, the first egg sinks to the bottom of the glass of the regular tap water. This is because a raw egg has a greater density than a regular tap water. Essentially, the egg has more matter stuffed into a specific area than the same amount of water. When you add salt, you increase density. That is to say, the salt packs into the same volume of water. With enough salt added to water, the density of water is greater than the egg, allowing the egg to float. Let us proceed to the experiment 3, which is separating egg whites and egg yolk. To make this, you only need an egg, a bowl, a spoon, and a bottle. The first step is crack an egg into a bowl. You can use the spoon. In your hand, lightly squeeze an empty plastic bottle. Hold the bottle in the squeeze position and don't release it. Then, touch the mouth of the water bottle to the egg yolk and slowly release the squeeze on the bottle. The egg yolk is pushed right into the bottle, leaving the egg white. You see? This. How does it work? When you squeeze the bottle, you decrease the air inside. Releasing the squeeze on the bottle allows air to rush back into the bottle. If you cover the mouth of the bottle with egg yolk prior to releasing the squeeze, the available volume inside the bottle is filled by the egg yolk. So now, I will explain this. Cornstarch that mixed with water is a non-Newtonian liquid. The size, shape, and makeup of the cornstarch grains cause the cornstarch to lock up and hold its shape when being pressured. So, if you want to wash your hand, you can use warm water. Bye! Look, when you pressure the cornstarch, it becomes solid, but when you release it, it becomes liquid. Okay, the last experiment is cornstarch and water experiment. This is quite a fun experiment. You only need cornstarch, a bowl, and water. The first step is pour the cornstarch into the bowl. Like this. Take time to feel the texture. It has texture that can be compared to that of whipped cream. Very soft. Okay. Then, add water until it feels like saturated solution.